Hi, my name is Susan Combs and I'm an insurance broker for Combs & Company. How to promote individual health insurance. Either if you have an insurance brokerage firm or you're starting out in the insurance business, there's a lot of different aspects of insurance that you can look at doing. One that is increasing in popularity is individual health insurance. A lot of people are calling and calling. I know my office on almost a daily basis asking about individual insurance. Some states you're able to write individual insurance, some states you aren't. But in 2014, we're being told that all brokers will be allowed to sell individual insurance. So for example, in the state of New York, where we're not currently able to sell individual insurance, we're being told that in 2014 we will be able to. So it's something that you need to be looking at to start building a following in that. The best solution for getting a following is going to be networking and word of mouth. Because if you're talking about working with individuals that are typically freelancers or things like that are going to know other freelancers as well. So they're going to actually help build your base. So you want to be networking and letting people know that you have an expertise in individual health insurance, and that'll really be what kind of sets you on the ground running. So the best thing to do is find the Chamber of Commerce, find networking groups that you can join, and tell people that that's what you're doing and that's what you're focusing on. And then you're just going to see your business grow.